This page is the executive overview of the ACPL Logistics Analytical Platform. It is designed to give leadership and senior stakeholders a single place to understand financial performance, delivery efficiency, and operational health without needing to navigate multiple reports. The goal is not just reporting but faster and better decision making. At the top of the dashboard, we start with a KPI layer that summarizes the overall health of the logistics operation. Revenue shows the total logistics revenue for the selected period, along with the month over month movement. This helps leadership quickly gauge growth trends and demand patterns. The cost captures the total operational spend, including transportation, fuel, exception, and related cost. Profit is derived from the revenue minus cost and represents the true business outcome of logistic operation. On-time delivery percentage reflects SLA compliance, which directly impacts customer satisfaction and repeat business. Together, these KPIs provide a quick health check of the business before diving deeper. The next section focuses on the geographic performance. This map highlights the profit contribution across states, making it easy to identify high performing and underperforming regions. It allows leadership to immediately spot where margins are strong, where corrective action may be required. Profit by state. This chart complements the map by allowing a direct comparison of profitability between states. This view helps align regional performance with operational strategies and cost structures. Fleet efficiency, which is the leading indicator of cost. Fleet efficiency provides a summarized indicator of how effectively vehicles are being utilized across the network. High efficiency indicates optimized routing, reduced idle time, and better asset utilization. A declining score can act as an early warning for rising operational cost. This metric helps operational team intervene before cost issues impact profitability. Next is revenue by region. The revenue by region, this chart helps assess regional dependency and identify opportunities for diversification expansion. Top profitable customers. This chart highlights the top customers by contribution margin. It allows sales and account teams to prioritize high value relationships and focus on retention and pricing optimization. Customer profitability is as important as customer volume in logistics. Trend analysis. Understanding change over time. At the bottom, we have a monthly trend analysis of revenue and cost. This view helps identify seasonality, cost spikes, and periods of margin compression. Monitoring the gap between revenue and cost over time helps anticipate profitability risk. This is especially useful for forecasting and planning. All the visuals on this page are interactive and driven by curated analytical views. Users can filter by time period, region, or state to move from a high level summary to more focused insights. The underlying data model ensures consistency across KPIs and dashboard.
So this page is our operation page. It helps us quickly understand how well the deliveries are happening, where the delays exist, and what needs attention on the daily basis. The top section is the key KPIs existing. The first one is average delay. This shows the average delay in hours compared to the promised delivery time. Lower the values means the deliveries are happening closer to the schedule. Nextly, first attempt success rate. This tells us how many deliveries are completed successfully on the first attempt. A higher percentage means smoother operation and fewer redelivery efforts. Next is the SLA breach percent. This shows the percentage of shipment that missed the committed delivery time. It helps us track how often we are not meeting the service expectation. Next is the exception rate. This indicates how often the delivery issues occur, such as damage, returns, or lost shipment. It's a quick way to spot the operational problem. Next comes the charts. Service type performance is a radar chart which compares delivery performance across standard, express, and air express type of service. It helps us see which service types are performing well and which needs improvement. The delay severity split is a donut chart which shows the delay split into minor, major, critical, and moderate. It helps the team understand how serious the delays are, not just how many are there. The next chart is a high risk branches for delivery delays. It is a heat map showing the top location causing the most delay according to the states and specific branch. It allows the team to focus on a specific branch instead of guessing. Next is the shipment flow status. It is a chart that shows the count of shipments in each phase of the delivery. Any drop in this chart quickly helps us spot where the delay or issues are happening. Next is the top causes of shipment delays. This chart shows the most common reason for delays like documentation issue, route diversion, due to which it helps the work on actual causes, not just the system.
Now let's move into the fleet management view to understand how vehicle level performance impacts overall operations. So first KPI we have is capacity utilization percentage, which shows how effectively we are using the available capacity of our trucks. Capacity utilization measures how much of the total truck space is actually being used per trip. If capacity utilization is low, it means vehicles are moving with unused space, which increases cost per shipment. Higher utilization indicates better load planning and improved operational efficiency. This metric is critical because it directly impacts profitability. Better utilization means fewer trips for the same volume. Next, we have cost per kilometer KPI, which represent the total operational cost incurred for every kilometer traveled by the fleet. This includes fuel, tolls, maintenance, and handling costs. Tracking this KPI helps us identify cost inefficiencies across routes and vehicles. An increasing cost per kilometer can indicate fuel inefficiency, poor route planning, or rising maintenance expenses. This metric is especially useful when we compare it with the revenue per kilometer to understand margin performance. Next, we have revenue per kilometer KPI, which shows how much income we generate for every kilometer traveled. It helps us understand how effectively distance is being monetized. Higher revenue per kilometer indicates profitable routes or vehicle types, while lower values may suggest pricing or demand issues. When analyzed together with cost per kilometer, this KPI gives a clear picture of operational profitability. Next, we have route deviation percentage KPI, which shows how often vehicles deviate from their assigned GPS routes. High route deviation can increase fuel consumption, delay deliveries, and impact SLA compliance. This KPI helps us monitor route discipline, identify operational issues, and ensure adherence to planned routes. Now we are having revenue contribution by vehicle. So this chart ranks individual vehicles based on their total revenue contribution. It helps us identify top performing vehicles as well as the underperforming ones. These insights are useful for fleet management decisions, such as prioritizing high performing vehicles or reviewing the low performing ones. Next chart we are having is of distribution of revenue efficiency across vehicle types. This box plot compares the distribution of revenue earned per kilometer across different vehicle types. It helps us access both revenue efficiency and variability. Vehicle types with a higher median revenue per kilometer and lower variability are more reliable performance. This analysis support decisions around fleet mix optimization and vehicle deployment. Next, we are having delay concentration by vehicle. This chart shows whether delivery delays are evenly spread across the fleet or